When we hear artificial intelligence, our minds usually jump straight to the movies. We picture self-aware, destructive machines, the kind of apocalyptic scenarios Hollywood directors like James Cameron have put on screen for decades. Or we imagine the exact opposite, a utopian sci-fi future where machines do all the heavy lifting, leaving humans to enjoy lives of endless creativity and leisure. The reality is far less cinematic, but it is already here. You interact with AI every time your phone unlocks with your face, when your keyboard predicts your next word, or when a navigation algorithm routes you around a traffic jam. But fixating on these science fiction extremes misses the point. Our obsession with those Hollywood fantasies distracts us from an immediate, very real crisis that is actively reshaping modern science. Over the last few decades, advancing technology has given researchers the ability to capture and store scientific information at a scale previously thought impossible. We are dealing with a total deluge of data. Whether scientists are tracking molecular biology or mapping the distant edges of the cosmos, the sheer volume of information being recorded is staggering. This graph highlights the core problem. The flat line represents human cognitive capacity. We haven't changed. But this massive, exponentially spiking curve is global data generation. The human brain simply cannot read, process, or comprehend information at this scale. Modern science has moved past the era of simply capturing information. We are now in an era defined by the struggle to extract a meaningful signal from an ocean of noise. To solve this, researchers turned to an academic discipline that actually originated decades ago at a Dartmouth College workshop in 1956. AI isn't sudden magic. Today, artificial intelligence serves as an umbrella term encompassing a multitude of evolving technologies, like machine learning and neural networks. This scatter plot chart illustrates their core function. These tools take chaotic data points and use advanced mathematics to model uncertainty, finding patterns in the chaos. By establishing these rules, researchers deploy AI as a filter, crunching immense datasets far faster than humanly possible. These technologies act as a vital mathematical lifeboat, providing the only viable way to navigate the modern data deluge. You can see these tools deployed actively at Penn State's Eberly College of Science, where researchers use them to manage unmanageable data across both micro and macro scales. On the micro scale, scientists parse vast amounts of cellular biology data through machine learning models to improve and sharpen atomic-level imagery. Processing all that data allows them to construct digital patient replicas. Doctors then use those models to personalize treatments for complex diseases like Alzheimer's. The exact same mathematical principles scale up to the macroscopic level, where astronomers use AI to synthesize massive, constant streams of data captured from deep space. Filtering those astronomical datasets improves the search for distant exoplanets and even helps generate new materials designed specifically to detect dark matter. Future scientific breakthroughs, whether curing a degenerative disease or mapping the unseen universe, are no longer limited by what we can physically see. They depend entirely on our capacity to compute the data. This rapid advancement brings plenty of excitement, but it also carries valid apprehension. Relying heavily on AI creates complex challenges that demand rigorous research to understand. There are massive operational concerns. Running these intensive computations requires huge amounts of power, forcing a push to make the underlying hardware more energy efficient and sustainable. There are also deep ethical complexities, specifically regarding how training data is sourced and identifying strict boundaries for when it is or isn't appropriate to deploy an AI tool. Because AI is now embedded in everything from climate models to our daily routines, society has to navigate it thoughtfully rather than blindly trusting the output. This shift is forcing institutions of higher education to adapt, as they are tasked with preparing students for a highly unpredictable AI-driven job market. Penn State is actively integrating these tools into the mathematics and statistics curriculums, moving far beyond the conversation of exam integrity. This creates a new academic mission centered on AI literacy, teaching students how to use these algorithms responsibly, creatively, and effectively. The ultimate goal is not preparing for machines to replace humanity. It is equipping the next generation with the critical tools required to filter the noise and master an overwhelmingly complex world.